Kamompilo Khanyile from i-councillor candidate yomkhonto wesizwe party e-Ward 109. Njengoba nazi ukuthi sinama-by-election silokhu sihamba i-ground siyasebenza la groundini, so sithe masisebenza kaso silokhu sihamba sikhuluma nabantu through ama-door to door. Seza ukuthi no positive bukhona, kuyathembisa ukuthi ngoba abantu bakhathele ugovernment bakaloku aphethe, so sibathembisile abantu, ungathembisi ngokomlomo kuphela, ngokwenza izinto such as ukubagcinela amaphaki, ukwenzela abogogo iy'tubhu la bangakhona ukungena khona bahamba ngama-wheelchair, ukuthengela abantu ama-food parcels. Sibabonisa ukuthi mase siyintawa siwumkhonto wesizwe sizokhona ukwenza more than lokhu esikwenzayo. Siyabagcinela ama-ground, ama-comrade umphakathi, siyabagcinela ama-ground, sibagcinela amaphaki, senza konke lokho. So njengoba sesisebenzile i-ground siyacabanga ukuthi no, kuyathembisa ukuthi abantu umphakathi bazwile, kuyathembisa ukuthi sizoyiwina le ward. As soon as siwina iwadi, masiwina iwadi siqhubeka la sigcine khona, akukho ezobe siqala ukwenza, siqhubeka la sigcine khona. Ngiyabonga.
Ngithi mina iward 109 siyayithatha somkhonto wesizwe, siyawakhipha amasela. It's all about delivery. ANC has failed to deliver to the masses of this country. As umkhonto wesizwe, we are going to deliver. We are going to deliver. Our people's mandate will be implemented full force. We are going to take this ward. We are cocksure of that. 100% sure we are going to win this war. Amandla! Amandla! Kwaza mkhonto kwaza! Kwaza mkhonto kwaza! Viva MK Women's League! Viva!
Viva!
No woman!
No revolution!
No revolution!
No woman!
Ulana masango, ulana masango, ulana masango, ulana masango. Sisota zomasala, sawagipa masela zukala, sisota zomasala tina, sawagipa masela zukala.
Kwaza mkhonto wesizwe Gaza. Sanibonani, igama lami nguThulani Shongwe. Namhlanje ngivakashele 109. Cela sizovota mphakathi waseDaveyton, siphumeni VD, umakhelwane, umhlebi, umthakathi, umfundisi, umsonti. Woza sizovotela umkhonto wesizwe ngoba sikhathele amasela. Akuthakatheki khona amasela, akukhonzeki khona amasela, akusebenzeki khona amasela. Adla nomhlabathi wala. So asivoteleni umkhonto wesizwe, sifaka ukhansela wethu uMpilo othembekile, osizayo umphakathi. Makushoniwe uyasinqwabela, makufuneka ama-food parcel uyamikisa, uyasiza. Please bantu baseDaveyton, asivoteni ngamandla. Kwaza mkhonto kwaza. Amandla. Kwaza mkhonto kwaza. Igama remember Junior Shilubane waziwa ngoCommander Flaka. I'm the Provincial Secretary of Young People in Gauteng Province, kumkhonto wesizwe. Namhlanje la Ward 109 to intensify our campaign in making sure that umkhonto wesizwe party takes this ward come the 10th of December 2025. Kulama by-election, since uComrade Mpilo Khanyile will emerge victorious. So we're here to make sure of that. We're here to work the ground. We're here in a public meeting waiting for the community so we can be able to engage them and making sure that we take this ward. Because we are certain that in this ward, we will remain victorious as umkhonto wesizwe. Amandla.
Wayichukucha wemkhonto wayichukucha. Viva MKIRM, viva abafundisi lana, we are here as umkhonto ukuthi mabeze bonke abantu le by elections ayithatha 109 eDaveyton ekuruleni. Njengabafundisi we have prayed, sayenza konke nabalaphi bendabuko bashaya izinto zabo ukuthi sizoyithatha le ward. Mamela ke wena ushaye phansi ngoba thina siumkhonto, we are here. Umkhonto umsholozi siyabajukutsha labantu sibayenza so. Wayijukutsha wemkhonto ayijukutsha.
Sanbonani, I am Lindiwe Mtshali, the National Secretary of the MK Women's League. We are at Ward 109 today in Daveyton, Ekurhuleni region. Sizosupporta i-councillor candidate yethu, uComrade uKhanyile. We are definitely taking this ward. The ANC has failed i-Ekurhuleni region, and abantu on the ground are telling us ukuthi they are definitely fed up and they are going to be voting for Umkhonto weSizwe Party.
Igama lami uSibongile ngokamoya isibongo, ngihlala eKhombisa. Ngithanda ukubonga into nje ezomkhonto ngoba ivale amanzi ngalena imvula nayina ngihlala emanzini bengakhona ukuphuma ngakhona ukwenza mara bavalile lapha amanzi azangasangena imvulini lizolo ngithukile amanzi azangabe khona. Ngithanda ukubonga into ezomkhonto. Ngiyabonga kakhulu umkhonto ngathi ngaqhubekela phambili. Ungasizi thina kuphela eKhombisa usiza nabanengi abaswele abafana nathi. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Kwaza mkhonto kwaza. Jikijela mkhonto jikijela. Sizoyithatha i-109 Chongema kanjani? Ngiyakuthiwa mithe yethu. Choma uyambona umpilo Khanyile zokushaya. Lo abamfaka emabhodini yena. Angazi bathi kumele uMK nge9 nange10 exactly my friend. Candidate yethu. And izowin. Kwaza wena. Kwaza mkhonto kwaza.